So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a box around text here in Visme. So first thing you have to do is obviously add some text to your design. So go to the top left, press on the text icon right here. I will then make this a little bit larger so that it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to add a box around the text, super simple. I want you to double tap the text right here that you want to add a box around. Go to this top bar to where there's this A with the underline. I want you to press on where it says annotations and get this drop down. So you have none, underline, box, circle, etc. So as we mentioned before, we want to add a box around the text. We're going to go ahead and press on box right here. We're then going to change the thickness so it's a little bit thicker. You can change the height as well if you want. You can change the color by doing this. If you wanted to make it a black box as well, you can do that, the next out of that. And there you go. That's how you guys can create a box, or I guess add a box around text here in Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.